Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be tying something very conventional with your Ankara. Okay, so first of all, you want to clean up her edges. You want to make sure it's very smooth, and then I will be showing you the size of the Ankara hair tie. So this is just the length and this is the width. Okay, so when you look at it, it's just 1 yard and maybe a few inches long, and then I'm going to fold it in a triangular shape so that we get how good it's going to look. I'll placing it from the back of her head, bringing it to the front like this, asking her to hold on to her ear area, because of course you want to do that. If you don't do this, it's going to slip off, and also your hair tie is not going to sit properly because it's not going to be firm. So after that, I'll just twist this like this, twist it on opposite side, and use my office pin, can you see that, to secure the turban like this. You want to do this. It's also very important. If you don't do this, it falls off easily. So next, I'm going to also pin the next part, the next handle of the turban. Don't worry, it's going to pick up together and everything is going to look good. So after pinning this side of the turban, I'm going to pull up the back of the hair tie, bringing it up like this. And then I'll show you how the back looks. So don't worry, yeah, most of you complain in my videos that I don't show you the back of the hair tie. So I'm going to pull up the back of the hair tie, making sure I push her hair down so that it doesn't pull the hair up and it's going to look weird at the back. I'll show you the final result of the hair tie, of course, when we are done. And then bringing out that remnants I pulled off from the back, I'm going to just twist everything, put everything together. At first, this is not the final look. I'm just trying to secure that before we move on to the next part. So you just want to secure this so that you can have a base. Your hair tie can have a base first. So I'm just going to secure this for the meantime before I finish arranging the remaining part of the turban. So I'm going to just pick up this handle because I want the hair tie to look big. You know, it's small. This is also an idea for you to tie. Sometimes people complain their Ankara is small, their Ankara is, they just don't know how to manipulate it so that it will look big on their head. So the first thing you need to do when you want to manipulate your hair tie is to make sure you put on something in your head, like a base. I always say this, have a base, have a chuchimaza on your head. Like, let me say a ribbon, a wig or something, or maybe your cap, put it inside, push everything inside so that it will look a little bit bigger. Once your head is a little bit elevated, anything you tie on your head, you just tie it once and cover it up, and everywhere is going to look full and big. So after, you know, if you notice her base is very big, the one I push down from behind her head, and then I'm holding the handles of the hair tie, making sure I elevate it, make it look big so that it will stand up very well. So I'm just trying to make the ruffles stay properly. I'll just be pinning that randomly, making sure I get every part of the turban right. So I'm just pinning this down. As you can see, I'm just rearranging. Don't worry, it will look good in a sec. Just give me some minutes and you will see how this looks. Because I need to take it slow because people are learning this hair tie. You don't expect me to fast forward it or rush it like that. So as you can see, I just rearranged everything. So you see, you will never know that this hair tie is not up to 2 yards or even 1.5 yards. It's just 1 and a little bit of inches more because of the way I tied it, the way I manipulated it, and it's now looking like it's a big hair tie or something like that. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos, please, and just watch these videos to the end, and also watch my adverts. I beg una. So looking at this now, as you can see, I'm just trying to secure everywhere, and what I'm doing now is I'm trying to cover the label of the hair tie. You don't want your label to show. You see that thing that they write super guaranteed at Ankara, or super wax, or super something, Hollandia or HKG or something like that? You want to cover that. So this is the final hair tie. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.